Okay, good morning my dear student. Today day 18 part 2 class 10 pair of linear equation in two variable. We can solve the pair of linear equation in two variable with algebraically or by algebraically. Then in by algebraically day 18 part 2 pair of linear equation in two variable. Solve the pair of linear equation in two variable by algebraically. Means we can find the value of x and y of a1x plus b1y plus c1 is equal to 0 and a2x plus b2y plus c2 is equal to 0. We can find the value of x and y of pair of linear equation in two variable algebraically. Then first method is the substitution method and elimination method, and here the third method is the by cross multiplication. Cross multiplication. Cross multiplication method. Clear? Then in the cross multiplication method, first of all we know what is the formula. Clear? Then here there is no need to prove the formula. We can write the formula directly, and everyone try to understood how we can make the formula. Here you can write x, y and 1. Clear? Then here plus, minus, plus. Clear? Then after a1, b1, c1. Here a2, b2, c2. Is that clear? Then after you can write x. Clear? When you can find x, then what you can do? You can cover this and this line. Then what? b1 c2 minus b2 c1. Then it is b1 c2 minus b2 c1. Clear? b1 c2, if you can take for x, then denominator of x is b1 c2 minus b2 c1. Clear? b1 c2 minus b2 c1 is equal to minus y, and it is, if you can find the write the denominator of y, then you can see this value is not here. Then what is a1 c2 minus a2 c1? Then it will be written a1 c2 minus a2 c1. Clear? And then after you can write 1 upon, if you can write the denominator of 1, then it is, we can left it, then a1 b2 minus a2 b1. Clear? And then after, on the effect of minus sign, this sign will be changed. Then it will be written x upon b1 c2 minus b2 c1 is equal to y upon, see here C1 A2, this written first because it is the first plus sign, and minus C2 A1, clear? And then after 1 upon A1 B2 minus A2 B1, clear? And if you want to find the value of x, then you compare both, clear? From here you got the value of x, then see x upon B1 C2 minus B2 C1 is equal to 1 upon A1 B2 minus A2 B1, clear? And if you cross multiply, then x is equal to B1 C2 minus B2 C1 upon A1 B2 minus A2 B1, clear? In the same way, you can find the value of y, then you can compare this, then y upon C1 A2 minus C2 A1 is equal to 1 upon A1 B2 minus A2 B1. Then by cross multiplication, y is equal to C1 A2 minus C2 A1 upon A1 B2 minus A2 B1, clear? Then with the help of this you can find the value of x and y, clear? Then see what you can do. If you forget the formula, clear, then what you can do, you can make x minus y plus 1, clear? And the denominator of x, then b1 c2 minus b2 c1. In the same way, denominator of y, then y has the negative, then minus y, you can cover it, a1 c2 minus a2 c1, and 1, then a1 b2 minus a2 b1. Then after behalf of this sign, the denominator are changed, then it will be c1 a2 plus and minus c2 a1 negative. Then after you can compare x upon b1 c2 minus b2 c1 is equal to 1 upon a1 b2 minus a2 b1. Then here we compare, then we got the value of x. In the same way, compare y upon c1 a2 minus c2 a1 is equal to 1 upon a1 b2 minus a2 b1. Then you got the value of y, clear? Here we deal with the question. Two x plus y is equal to 5. 3x plus 2y is equal to 8. Here it is the 1 and it is 2. Then first of all, you can write the coefficient of a1, b1, c1. Then it will be written 2x plus y, and it comes this side, minus 5 is equal to 0, and this one is the 3x plus 2y minus 8 is equal to 0. Now you compare, right, in the standard form, then it is 2x plus y plus minus 5 is equal to 0, and this is written 3x plus 2y plus minus 8 is equal to 0. Then value of, compare it, a1x plus b1 y plus c1 is equal to 0, and a2x plus b2y plus c2 is equal to 0. Compare this with standard form of linear pair of linear equation in two variable, clear? Then you got a1 is equal to 2, b1 is equal to coefficient of y is 1 and c1 is equal to minus 5. Clear? a2 is equal to 3, b2 is equal to 2 and c2 is equal to minus 8. First of all, you can check what is the condition of its solution. Then here a1 upon a2 is not equal to b1 upon b2. Then see a1 2 upon 3 is not equal to 1 upon 2. It means it has unique solution. It means we got one value of x and one value of y. Then here x is equal to, what is this, b1 c2. Then you can write x is equal to b1 c2 minus b2 c1 upon a1 b2 minus a2 b1. Then see what is the b1 c2. b1 is 1 and c2 is minus 8. Then 1 into minus 8 minus b2 c1 2 into minus 5 upon a1 b2 2 into minus 8, sorry, 2 into 2 a1 b2 2 into 2 2 into 2 minus 3 into 1. Clear? Then see, if you can solve plus into minus minus, 8 1 ja 8, minus 8 minus into minus plus 2 5 ja 10, and here 2 2 ja 4, 3 1 ja 3, and sign are different, then number are subtract, then it is 2 and put the greater number sign, it is plus, and 4 minus 3 is 1. Here then it is 2 upon 1 means 2. It means the value of x is 2. In the same way you can find the value of x. Clear? If you want to check your answer is correct or not, then you can put x and y in any, then you got. Clear? By this way you can solve exercise 3.5. Here your homework is exercise 3.5. Here in all the exercise we can left the statement type of question. Clear? Then in the statement type of question some are required, some special cases like the speed of the train, speed of the boat and stream. This type of question we will discuss in our next class. Okay, thank you.